Hey guys, welcome to Horizons. So today, with our reading and writing, we're going to look at reading some directions. So today for that, we're going to do some baking. So we're going to make these fun brownie cookies. And so maybe you can try this at home. And so like all you need is a box of brownie mix, some Reese's cups if you like them, and then some cookie batter. Okay, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna first make our brownies. And how this is gonna work is we're going to use these types of pans for cupcakes. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the cookie in first, then put a Reese's cup in, and then pour the brownie batter on top. So if you guys that like peanut butter are gonna love this. Miss Bre loves peanut butter. So first, let's make our brownie batter. So what you're going to need is, I like the fudgy brownies, so I'm going to make them for fudgy. But if you look at the back, it tells you two different ways to make them. And so you can either make them for the fudgy ones or the cake ones. All right, and it tells you right up here what we're going to need. So I'm going to need 2 eggs. So I have 2 right here. And I'll move this so you can kind of see all the stuff. 2 eggs, and then I'm going to need a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/2 cup of oil. And so you want to make sure that you have all the stuff that you're going to need out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to crack my eggs, and then I'm going to dump all of this stuff in here, and then we're going to mix it up. All right, so while our brownie batter is mixing, so we've got it in the mixer and it's mixing up. If you have a handheld one, you can just go ahead and mix it like that. If you have one like this, while it's mixing, you can go ahead and put the cookies in the cupcake pan. You can either get the sliced ones, or you can make your own cookie dough, or you can just get the ones like these, whichever you'd rather. Sometimes Miss Bre likes to make her own cookie dough, but sometimes it's just easier to use the ones that are already. Now, you don't want a lot in there, so these ones I'm going to have to take some out because they're kind of big. That way there's room for that Reese's cup. So you go ahead. And what's fun about this cookie dough is it's the cookie dough that you can eat raw. So I know some of you really like to eat raw cookie dough, and Miss Bre does too. So this stuff you can eat raw too. So if you want a snack while you're making it, it's totally fine. Alright, so I'll get these all with the cookie dough in each one. Alright, and just push it down at the bottom. After this one, I'll kind of show you what it looks like, what I'm doing. Okay. So, you push it down, it'll look like this. You don't want a ton of cookie dough in there. And again, you don't want to grease these because the cookies, you don't need to grease the pan for these, or the cupcake sheets. Okay. Get all of these done. Alright, and then after you do that, you're going to put the Reese's cups in there. Alright, so I put the Reese's cups in on the chocolate chip cookies, and the oven is done. I set it at 350, so that's what you're going to need to set it at, 350. And they're going to bake for about, it's really going to depend. It could be 15 minutes, somewhere around then, 20 minutes. So you're going to want to check them. Just keep an eye on them. Sometimes they bake faster. It just depends. So you're definitely going to need a parent to help you also to make sure that they're done. You just want to check them. And then you don't want to pour too much on them. That one got a lot. Whoops. So you're just going to pour it on top of each one, and then once all of them have brownie batter on them, you're going to put it in the oven, like I said, for like 15 minutes. It just depends, and you're going to check them, and you're going to have somebody help you with that. and then they'll be yours to eat. Now, something that you could do is you can send in pictures online and let us see how yours turned out. And this is what they are looking like as I'm putting the stuff on them. So I'm going to finish putting them in, and then I'm going to put them in the oven, and then they'll be done. And you can do the same thing, and maybe you can send in some pictures of yours when you're done. So hopefully you guys get a chance to try this, and I hope that you're having fun. Maybe this is something you can do with your family one night. But I hope you guys are having a blast and have a great summer. I'll see you guys later.